in front of me is Samsung Solid, and let me show you how to clear memory on this device. So first of all, just open Menu, then find and select Settings. Now select Memory and go to Clear Phone Memory right here. And now you can select all options if you want to, or you can go one by one and pick what would you like to remove. So for example, My Files, Messages, Contacts, let's leave all the contacts there, Calendar Info, Tasks, Memory, Memos, Internet, Games and more, Emails, Activation keys, and that's it. So I chose some of them. Obviously you can do it your own way, and then tap on Clear. Then provide your password. And click on Yes. Now wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already done. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.